Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. Starting off here at the transom, the boat is powered by a single 300 V8 Verado from Mercury in Pearl Fusion White. You'll notice we have two swim platforms that are angled outward with a telescoping boarding ladder beneath the starboard side platform. It's also where your batteries are located. Moving forward, raw water washdown, fuel fill, really beefy and robust ski pole that can be stored beneath the stern seat here. 4 rod holders along the back, 2 cup holders on either side. A lot of real estate here at the transom, a lot of casting space. Really versatile multitasker boat that can be very fishing friendly, but also very comfortable for the family. Really large stern seat, huge backrest, plenty of back support, triple wide, could easily seat 3 adults comfortably. And you've got storage beneath these seats that can be accessed via a single door or a double door. This is where that ski pole is stored. It's also where your freshwater hose is stored, accessed right there. As much as I love this big, robust seat, it doesn't slam. It's on a nice, soft close. We've got scupper plugs or drains on the back end of the cockpit. JL audio speakers. Both got a great sound system. The helm seat here has a slide-out cooler beneath. That's standard. The backrest is adjustable and can be locked into place wherever you prefer. So you can sit or you can lean, and you've got drain storage beneath this actual seat that tilts forward. Really comfortable helm setup. The steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt base. Wrapped steering wheel, well-appointed brow, vinyl wrapped brow. You can see I have 2 angled footrests. Whether I'm seated or I'm standing, I've got good comfort with non-skid in those areas. Digital throttle and shift with our Mercury Verado motor. The boat comes standard with trim tabs, and we have optional LED indicators for those trim tabs. 2 cup holders, Mercury Vessel View display, our Marine display, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, all of our rocker switches. Got a lockable glove box with a couple of charging ports for our cell phones. Powder-coated hardtop with an overhead light. We got a storage bag set up for soft goods and rocket launchers that are welded in. Moving around to the starboard side, we've got 2 more speakers on either side of the console. Access to the head features a door with a magnetic catch, so it's out of the way. This is a pump-out head. You see a lot of room for storage. I've got canvas, the prop kit. I've also got designated space for our picnic table that mounts up in the bow. So good headroom. Door closes nicely and solid. Forward of the console here, I've got a built-in forward seat with a live well beneath. Cup holders and rod holders on either side. Nice comfortable backrest, so this is a comfortable place to sit and lounge. And then arguably the best seat in the house on the 240 Dauntless. Look at the amount of lounge space we have here in the bow. Got backrests that engage and disengage easily. Picnic table is mounted here, so someone who's well over 6 feet has plenty of space to lounge. Got low stainless grab rails, cup holders, and then beneath all of these cushions, when these come up, I've got non-skid. So this is a great casting area, and I have storage throughout the bow. So the center is more of a fish box or a cooler. We've got rod storage here on the port side. I can hold a couple of rods. Open general storage to the starboard side. All 3 of these lockers are drained. So very versatile. And they're also all lockable, so I can put valuables in here. With this low rail setup, that automatically gives us pre-wiring for a trolling motor. So this boat is ready to fish. You can easily throw a trolling motor on it. And And that's also where our anchor is housed. So that's a walkthrough of Boston Whaler's 240 Dauntless. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.